Hey guys, Aaron here with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how I set this Dreamline acrylic shower pan in a bed of mortar. Alright, so one quick thing to note before we get into this. Not all shower pans are going to be set in mortar, so make sure you check your instructions, as different brands have different ways of actually setting the pan. If it is set in mortar, go ahead and keep watching. We'll show you how to do it properly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to dry fit our shower pan and then just make sure it's sitting level on the floor. Once the pan is in place, we're going to level each of the four sides. Now if you need to float the pan to get it to a level position, my personal preference is to put some shims under it and make sure it's level before setting the sand mix versus using the sand mix to level it out. Now once the pan is level, you will want to mark each stud so that you know the proper height after you put the sand mix down. The reason for this is that if you put too much sand mix down in one area, you can push the pan down and make sure it's still on the line. Once the mix is down, you really don't want to be moving the pan around too much, as it will create air pockets in the mix. Next, we are going to set our pan in the bed of mortar. Now to do this, we want to spread the mortar out completely across the base, giving ourselves about 1 inch thickness around the perimeter, and then tapering it down to about 3/8 inch around the drain. Now it's also important to make sure that the mortar covers the entire bottom of the base. And the reason we want to do this is to make sure that we give support to all parts of the pan. I also found that it was easier to actually level the pan if you avoided putting mortar underneath the round circular feet. Hey guys, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. As always, if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you click that link below and become one. We got lots of great content available and more coming out all the time. Also, if you have any questions, thoughts, or things you'd like to see us do in the future, make sure you put it in the comment section and let us know. And again, thanks for watching.